In this video, I'm going to do unpacking of Yuhfera gel kit. I will try solid color gels and figure out what this product is about, show you my new LED lamp, and we will do a simple summer style gel overlay coming up. Hello guys, Anastasia here, and I have a kit by Yuhfera. This is the new brand on the market, and I'm really excited because it's always nice to be one of the first people to try it. And looks like there are two boxes inside. I think we're going to start with the big one. So the big one is this one, silver, and I think I already know what's inside because it says that there's a lamp, but it also includes this small bag. So let's see what is there. Looks like there's plenty of useful stuff. So we have nail stickers, we have toe separators. I think it's the first time I see them in black. We have 120-180 grit file and a shiner. There's also this clipper, which I definitely going to use for clipping of the tip of the nails. We have metallic pusher and this stuff for the cuticle, alcohol pad. This is a very useful thing. We also have gel polish remover in the pads, stencils for French style nails, and also there is a hardener gel. Let's take a look at the lamp. First thing that I immediately noticed about the lamp is that it is super light. It works through USB, which means you can even use a power bank if you want, and it turns on automatically. There are 3 buttons on the top, on-off button. We also have timer for 60 and 90 seconds. But also once you set the time, it's going to turn on automatically. And once you're done, you just take your hand off and it will turn off. That's nice, and I really like that the lamp is so light. But let's take a look at the kit. This is the gel kit and we have instructions here. Alright, we will probably not need that, and I really love the packaging. It's matte, it's black, it's square, and it's so stylish. Is it just me, or when I saw this, I kind of want to try it, like to taste it. Like seriously, it looks like some kind of candy. So it is called Jelly Gel, and I assume this name is because the gel is solid, because of the consistency. The consistency is very close to jelly. As you can see, it's not moving, it's not running anywhere, which means this consistency is going to stay on the nail. So that's really exciting to try. Besides 6 colors of gel, we have base coat, we have glossy top coat, which is high hardness, and a matte top coat. We also have 2 brushes, number 6, and another brush. I think this one is for glitter or for dust. We also have black buffer and 6 different glitters. Looks like we have everything for the design, but let's try them first. The collection includes 6 pastel colors, and you can see the names and the numbers of the colors in the upper right corner. Polar pink is a nice light pink color, and every single tip that I'm showing to you right now is just one coat, which is great, right? And I have to admit, it's quite satisfying to apply this gel. I'm really curious how it's going to work on the nails. Starry Skies is like a cute lavender color, and Galaxy Green is more like traditional pastel green color that you expect. Honestly, I'm a fan of pastel colors, so I think I like them all. And the last one is Yellow Radiance, which is a cute yellow tone. So these are all 6 colors with just one coat. That's impressive, and I used clear tips. And here we have 2 coats, so when you use 2, it's definitely more bright. Then I added some glitter, which reminds me of some cute summer ideas I'm going to use for my client today. So let's get started with the nails. We have natural nails. I have to say that nail beds and hands of this client, they're beautiful, right? I mean, when you have fingers and nail beds like this, I can totally understand when this person do not want extensions because they are naturally beautiful. So we're just going to file and shape them. Since we have 2 nails that are way shorter than the others, we're going to file them short and do a square shape. So I'm using 180 side grit of the file that was in the kit to make them shorter and to round the corners. Then I'm going to do a quick prep and dry manicure with a flame bit. taking the surface shine off with Yuhfera buffer, and do not forget to clean the dust at this point. Then I'm going to use this alcohol pad, and I have to say, guys, this one is very useful because it's easy to take with you. It's a single use, so you do not need to worry about separate lint-free wipes and alcohol because they're already saturated with it. So this one works like a dehydrator. I clean the surface of the nail plate and I remove the excess oil, dust, and dirt. And right after that, we are going to start the application, and it starts with the step number 1, which is base gel. When applying base, make sure that the coat is thin. And by the way, base gel is medium consistency. It is also not extremely runny, which is nice, especially if you're just getting started. You will not need to worry that it is going to flood the cuticle or the sidewalls. And then we cure it in Yuhfera LED lamp for just 30 seconds. Let's try the color. Honestly, at first I was a little worried and nervous. I mean, this gel is so thick, will it be even possible to apply it without strokes? So here's the secret. You need to hold the brush really flat. And the best part is that, once again, you do not need to worry about flooding the cuticle or the sidewalls because it won't. This product will stay there. You can even apply 5 nails at once. But anyway, I would not recommend that. It's still better to apply it on one nail, and while it's curing, you apply it on the opposite nail. Because, you know, clients may be very active sometimes, touching their phone and everything, and we definitely do not want them to spoil our flawless application. As you probably can already see, it was not possible to choose just one color, so we decided to go with all of them, with all 5 colors. They match together perfectly. It's just great for the summer, so we decided to do one nail with each color. This is the advantage of working with a solid gel. As it's not going to move or to run, I'm definitely going to use it for some clients with the deep grooves, with the puffy sidewalls. Some clients have cuticles that are so close to the nail that it's almost impossible to touch it, if you know what I mean. But mostly it's the sidewalls. So here you do not need to worry about it. After we're done with the first coat, we cure it in LED lamp for just 30 seconds, and then we are doing the second coat to have a brighter colors. The most important part of the application is definitely the first coat, so it's okay if it's taking a little longer, because second one usually goes faster. You already have the surface underneath, and technically we just repeat what we just did and apply the same color on the top. This kind of consistency also allows you to apply the product super thin, which is great for clients who have nails with a, let's say, natural deep C curve, because you know, sometimes with some nails you apply gel overlay, it's not even thick overlay, but the nails already look bulky. So with this kind of product, you will not need to worry about it. So I cured the second coat for 30 seconds again, and let's do some design. I'm using the base coat. I apply a little bit of it near the cuticle with a brush and do not cure. Then I take the glitter, and we decided to do some kind of a fade. This is how it works. You apply glitter near the cuticle area, and then you slightly fade it. So this is how we get this look. All these glitters that come in a kit, they perfectly match with the background, with the colors that are in the kit, and that's awesome. Like, you do not need to invent something, you just use all these colors and they're definitely going to look great together. When applying base coat to attach the glitter, do not apply too much because we definitely do not want any extra thickness here. After applying glitter, we need to cure it in LED for 30 seconds, and the last step will be sealing with a top coat. We decided to go with a glossy top coat, of course, because we have glitter and I think it is time to shine. Top coat is awesome. The consistency is medium, so it's not running, it's so easy to apply. I also love the brush. So we cure it for 30 seconds and we're done. Let me know what do you think, guys. All the links to the products that I use will be in the description box as usual. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new nail art tutorials and product reviews just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.